Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to change your default home page, new window, new tab, and startup page on the Vivaldi browser. First, open the Vivaldi browser. Then, open Settings. From the General option, you can choose what happens when you click on the home page, open the Start page or a specific page. You can also determine how Vivaldi will start up with the last session, home page, start page, or specific page. From the Tabs option, you can choose the tab bar position, top, left, right, or bottom. You can also determine what happens when you click on the new tab icon, the startup page, the home page, a blank page, or a specific page. Finally, you can choose where the new tab position will be, after related tabs, after the active tab, as the last tab, or as a tab stack with a related tab.